ISTE 2H, we had to write a professional memo to cover the standard for the course. We had to come up with an introduction that expressed our perception of what we thought the course was going to cover based on the standards and the objectives that were provided in the syllabus. We had to also come up with a current definition of what we thought of action research and our reasoning behind how we came to our definition. We had to identify 5 learning goals, of which I included model effective use of technology, use a variety of tools and resources for teacher and student use, collaborate with teachers and administrators to select and evaluate digital tools that will enhance learning, facilitate and use adaptive and assistive technology, and lastly, use digital communication to communicate locally with students and globally with students, parents, peers, as well as the larger community. In addition, we had to include some fears that we may have associated with the course, one of which was lack of access to technology or the Wi-Fi being interrupted or malfunctioning, because technology is so heavily used these days. We don't always take into account that problems can arise of assignments not being submitted or lack of proper communication. Another fear was the fear of educators not expressing or refusing to use technology as facilitator of learning, because at this point technology must be integrated into the curriculum given the pandemic that we're in. It is imperative and it's becoming a catalyst between parents, students, and administrators. Technology is the key to bridging the gap to ensure that all students succeed within the public school system.